The rooster crows and struts. He's got feathers, he's got guts. Oh, the rooster struts and crows. Now he's thinking no one knows. The cow makes milk standing, racing, abracadabra. She is utterly amazing. The pony whinnies in the wind, kicks in the stall. He's mighty as his cousin, just not as tall. The dog sleeps with one eye open in the shady farmhouse yard. You might think he is keeping cool. Beware, he is keeping guard. The sheep begin his woolly life as gentle as a lamb. Too bad he turned into a ram. The barn cat. Mice had better think twice. Goat eats everything from trash to trillium. Hey, look out. He'll knock you silly. When he's bad, we call him William. When he's good, he is just our Billy. The snake coils in the garden like a spring or the wild, and winding melody he hears but can't sing. The bees, their story is sweet and old. It begins in the clover, it ends with gold. The bull knows what he likes, cows and corn. Knows what he is, muscular and horn. The turtle lifts her fossil head and blinks 1, 2, 3 times in a full light in her house. It's always night. The duck quacks, the hen squawks, the goose honks. But the rabbit listens, and doesn't make a sound.